The snatch, it's called the king of all kettlebell exercises because it's a full body exercise. It teaches you how to snap your hips aggressively, how to stay tight with the bell up over your head, good lockout, strong shoulder. So I'm going to show you the exercise and then break it down. Inside. All right, so the snatch is an extension of your swing. So it's a swing continue. But to catch the bell, you have to do a high pull. So I'm going to show you a one-arm swing, a high pull, then a snatch. They all carry over to one another. One-arm swing, to the high pull, to the snatch. Here's the one-arm swing, to the high pull, to the snatch. So the high pull is about squeezing your shoulder blades together, not necessarily pulling your arm back. High pull, snatch from the side. High pull, snatch. Full body tension. Now snatch. Also can be done with 2 weights. Go right into the snatch. That's the snatch.